on. So you were running your 2021 Camaro ZL1 1L or ZL1 with APR Aero, Rotofab Intake, and some SPL suspension bits, and of course the Hoosiers, right?
Yeah.
Are those the R7s or the A's?
Running the R7s.
The R7. But you just knocked off some really good lap times here at Road Atlanta. How did you do?
Back to back, about 4 laps in a row, went 135s, 3 seconds faster than my last two here.
How did the car feel?
On rails. It's amazing.
And is that mainly the Hoosiers, or what do you attribute to?
I think a combination of track temperature, perfect weather, good tires, good alignment settings, and seat time.
And you do all your own alignment stuff, right?
Correct.
All right. Well, that's cool. Check out the video.